In this tour, we'll show you how Ryver can help your team get more done. John is the Sales and Marketing Director for an advertising agency. He's busy today preparing for an upcoming conference. John needs to check on the progress of a slideshow presentation that his team is creating, so he opens the Fall Marketing Conference Team Chat window. He notices that his team has created a new topic-based conversation regarding graphics in the slideshow, so he opens it. He recognizes that some graphics in the slideshow need to be updated, so he selects the ellipses menu to create a new task. In the Add Task window, John gives instructions, assigns the task, and sets a due date for his team's graphic designer, who is immediately notified. He next navigates over to the Tasks view to check in on the progress of other projects. Since John has already completed the slideshow task assigned to him, he drags it over to the Complete column. Just then, John receives an invite to a voice call with the CEO, Jessica.
Hey John, I need your help understanding this chart you sent me.
Sure, no problem.
Let me share my screen.
That sounds good.
Usually, all these kinds of team collaboration require emails, phone calls, meetings, and multiple applications. But John's team has done it all inside Ryver. It's been a breeze for John, not just because it's easy to collaborate in Ryver, but because he's done it all while working remotely, on a beach, in Hawaii, drinking a pina colada. Ready to get your team conversations sailing smoothly in Ryver? Start for free today at ryver.com.